guys, so welcome to the day in life as a small YouTuber. Today I'm going to be filming a bunch, like 2 videos today, and then I want to film some TikTok videos. I am doing this series on my TikTok called Kosher Finds. So if you guys don't know, I am Jewish. I mentioned that so many times on this channel. I do Vlognica every year, like Vlogmas. I figured I do like kosher finds from like all these big lots, things that you might not know were kosher, so I definitely want to film that today. I have a few talk videos I want to do for that, so I'm going to take you guys along. I was going to set up like my big camera with everything, but honestly today I'm just feeling like filming my videos on my vlog camera. I really like the quality of my vlog camera, so I think that's what we're gonna do. 7:30 on a Saturday. I actually been up since 9 because I have been working this morning. I like only a half a day shift, and I start vlogging and filming for you guys. Also in the morning, I've been having like some stomach issues this morning. In case you guys want to know more about me, sometimes I have like weird stomach issues, and it's like been nauseous. I like threw up and stuff, and it was not fun, but now I'm feeling a little better, so I think I decided to distract myself and film some video. So today I'm going to be filming my small YouTuber video, like small YouTubers you should watch, and then I want to film how I edit my thumbnails, which is honestly, it's not that much on how I edit, but still I figured this is very simple, and if simple people can do it, I can do it. I'm not the greatest graphic design person. Set up and film. I'm just gonna write down some notes on my phone with a small YouTuber so I know exactly what I want to say about each YouTuber. And yeah, so let's get on to filming. Okay guys, so I am now gonna film some TikTok. Sometimes for my series that I'm doing, I like to write it out, so at least I have an idea of what I'm talking about. So I just want to show you guys my TikTok setup. I will link down below the tripod that I use for my phone. It has a ring light, which is great. So I normally use the front-facing camera, and then I'll put on the ring light like that. And there we go. We have a great light. And yeah, I'll go film a TikTok. I want to film 2, but I don't remember what else I want to talk about. So that's all. I think I'm gonna set you guys up here, and you can have like a pre-recording of my like a montage of me filming. I feel like that would be fun. We are gonna get filming, and I just figured I'd just put you guys behind the tripod, and you guys can just have a little different type of angle of me filming. So let's go to video. So I want to say, hey guys, welcome back for part 2 of Kosher Finds that you didn't know about. Today we're gonna talk about coffee and hot chocolate. So first thing I'm going to talk about is the K-pods at Aldi's, and also the Ground Barnissimo. I'll leave the name here. Okay, I think I got it. So come back for part. This is horrible. This is horrible, guys. I'm gonna stop vlogging myself because I'm literally doing a horrible job, and I will catch you guys when I finish this TikTok because I'm literally doing a horrible job. I finished filming my TikTok videos. I only honestly filmed like 3, but it was like one was like a little game thing that you did. If you guys don't follow me on TikTok, definitely do so. I'm trying to post more. I need to figure out other ideas of what I want to do, so I want to write them down so I can know what to say. So yeah, so honestly right now I don't have much going on. Signed out of work already, and yeah, I think I'm just gonna relax for a while. Maybe edit it a little while, take a nap, I don't know. So I will catch up with you guys a little later when or you're probably maybe editing, or actually I do need to upload the videos and try and edit a bunch of videos as I can, but I do have a bunch of videos to edit now. Relax now, and yeah, I'll see you guys later when I have something more exciting to share. So, hope you guys so far enjoyed this vlog of me creating content, showing you guys like my setups and stuff. I feel like that's like really fun to do, and yeah, so I'll see you guys in a little while. So hey guys, so it's actually the next day. I ended up not vlogging that much yesterday. I just wasn't feeling good that much, so I figured I'd start the vlog again up today and just give you guys some more tips and show you guys my things that I do after I finish filming videos, so I know we end up putting everything away. And one tip, I do have an external hard drive, especially if you don't have that much storage on your computer. So I'm going to be putting all my footage onto my external hard drive. So when it's time to edit, I know that they're here. I can delete them off my camera and that they're not lost. Another thing that I do have is this little storage for your memory cards so you don't lose them. So I don't know what about you guys, but I seem to always misplace them when I'm editing or whatever. Put them in like random drawers. So this is just a little storage department that I use to put like all different types of memory cards. I have like two 32 gigabytes. I have some micro SD cards in case I get some type of tablet or just like need extra little cards. And I have like a 64 and a 32, and then I think in this camera I have a 16. Here right now is doing some scanning, but we can still import footage. So all I do, this, as you guys know, this is an older MacBook, so I do have the USB port, which is so great. I think like in the next 2 or 3 months, I am gonna invest in a new one because I really think it's time. So yeah, so I actually need to figure out which sometimes I really don't remember what memory cards I use, so I'm gonna go first with the top one and show you guys just how I organize my footage. So I'm gonna import it in. I'm gonna bring you guys this way. You guys can get a better view over here, I guess. Yeah, that's like a better view. So I always label it as like YouTube. I don't know, it's just what I do. And then here's my little hard drive. And then I just have all different folders like documents, iTunes, photos. I put here TikTok. I actually now have a folder for TikTok videos because I now edit my TikTok videos. And then I have my YouTube photos. So what I do if it's a new video, which I actually already edited so I can get rid of them, but I can wait till the next day, so we're gonna go through them. These are old videos, so I can delete them from my thing. We're gonna go to the trash. I'm gonna empty it. And we don't need that one. I'm just gonna do a time lapse of me figuring out my phone, my videos and stuff. And I'll catch with you guys in a little bit. Okay, so update time. So I have now labeled my footage. As you guys can tell, what I do is I know if it's a vlog, I will normally like put like somewhat of the title, and then it will say like here's vlog 1, 2, and like depending on how much footage, so I know how many clips I have to put into the editor that I use. And then right now these are like day in life of YouTuber 1, 2, 3, which I have to take the footage all of here, which I'm gonna do so I can show you guys after all of that. So now I can like export this and import to there. You gotta make sure you do that. So yeah, so now I'm gonna take this. So now I'm gonna take this memory card out of here and put it into my computer, and then I'll catch up with you guys when I'm done. And yeah. Okay, so all my videos are now all labeled, and I'm gonna export my last hard drive here that I was using. And in case you guys are wondering what all this is actually all screenshots that I take for my thumbnail, and that is what I use. And then I send it airdrop to my phone, which you'll see in my how I edit my iPhone 12 video, which you guys will see in upcoming videos soon. And yeah, so I'm gonna end this vlog here. I hope you guys like this video on me showing you how I am as a content creator here on YouTube and TikTok. I really just have been starting out on TikTok. I'm still trying to learn the algorithm and what to post on there. I realized you just gotta start doing it if you want to. So that's my tip. If you guys want to start a YouTube channel, start a TikTok, whatever, just do it. That is my tip, is to just do it. Don't worry about what your friends might think, your family might think. You want to do it, because when I first started my channel a long time ago, I didn't tell anybody about it. It was like kind of like a secret. But now, since I've been doing it for like about 5 years now, this channel specifically, I told all my friends about it, I told my family about it, and honestly, the thing that came out of it was like the editing part. Is that, oh, you can edit? Oh, can you edit this for me? Or like, do you think you can edit this for the family? Things like that. That really came out of me doing YouTube and learning that I love editing, and like I love technology so much. If one thing I learned about the YouTube, that's what came out for me. So yeah, so you never know what you'll find from this whole YouTube journey or social media. Maybe you'll learn you want to be in marketing. That's another thing that came out for me, is learning that I really like the marketing aspect of all this and the business side of this, which I really want to learn about a lot more this upcoming year. So yeah, so if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below for more videos like this, more days in my life, weeks in my life, things like that. Definitely keep your eye out for that, because I definitely plan to do a lot more this upcoming year. So I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye guys.